Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. We want the phone to match the camera configuration of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which based on past from probably will have the company's best snappers. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is rumored to arrive with an extravagant 7.6-inch 19.30 cm display along with a resolution of 1768 x 2208 pixels. The Z Fold 5 has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and the S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, so Z Fold 5 has the more up-to-date newer processor. A new video from YouTube TechDroider shows putting the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 4400 mAh battery life test. These phones are pitted against Samsung's own Galaxy S22 Ultra 5000 mAh battery, the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max 4352 mAh battery, the OnePlus 10 Pro 5000 mAh battery and the Xiaomi 12's Ultra with 4860 mAh battery capacity. Surprisingly, the Galaxy Flip 4 and the Galaxy's Fold 4 out to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Despite a lower battery capacity in a test, it takes the phones through gaming, web browsing and social media apps. As this year we get to know about the Samsung, we're going to use a new stacking technology which helps Samsung to put a bigger battery in the same size as the rollable batteries, which means we can hope to get a bigger battery on the Z Fold 5, potentially bigger than 4400 mAh battery on the Z Fold 4 and better charging speed 45 watt instead of 25 watt on the Z Fold 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. To ensure it fixes all the issues with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, there's only been one real Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 leak so far, and this point to the phone having a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. That would be the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipsets that power many of 2022's Android flagships including the Z Fold 4. The mobile application processor is a next-generation chip that is expected to be unveiled at the end of 2022. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.